Have you ever found yourself confused by time differences in your data analysis? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to get accurate results. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we are diving into the world of time differences in R using dplyr. I totally get it. You might be wondering why your time differences are showing up in different units, like minutes for one group and days for another. You're not alone in this confusion. Many users face similar issues when working with date-time data. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked why their time differences in R were inconsistent. They provided a sample dataset and showed how they grouped by the MDN column to compute differences in the CL date column. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing these different units in time differences? It often comes down to how R handles date-time objects and the grouping of your data. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you ensure your time differences are calculated correctly every time. To address the issue of inconsistent time differences, the user should first ensure that the CL date column is in the correct format. This can be done by converting it to a proper date-time object using the as.posixct function. Next, the user should calculate the time difference consistently. Instead of using the diff function, which may return results in different units, the user can use the lag function to compute the difference directly between consecutive rows. After calculating the time differences, the user should check the results to ensure they are in the desired unit. The time differences can be converted to minutes, hours, or days as needed. Finally, the user should review the output to confirm that the time differences are now consistent across all groups. This will help in understanding the time intervals more clearly. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of time zones was only introduced in the late 19th century? Before that, every city had its own local time. Imagine the confusion. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the lubridate package instead of base R for calculating time differences. This approach involves grouping by the MDN column, arranging by CL date, and then using the as.duration function to compute the difference between CL date and its lagged value. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always check your date-time formats and consider using the lag function for clearer results. This small adjustment can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of how to handle time differences in R. Remember, proper formatting and the right functions are key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle more R challenges.